Hi everyone, in this example we have different text formats, some using dots, spaces or hyphens. In this video I will explain how to convert them into a proper date format. So let's start. Now select the data in column A, go to Data tab and in Data Tools group click on Text to Columns. In Convert Text to Column wizard, select Delimited option. Click Next. Make sure no delimiters are selected. Click Next. In the third screen, select Date and in the drop down, select DMY option. And in the destination, by default, it is showing A2. So change it to B2 because we need the output in column B. Click Finish. The column B is now showing dates in date format. Select column B, press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells dialog. Go to Number tab, select Custom, select DD triple M 4 times Y option. If you didn't find this option, type the same in type field and click OK. And that's it. Your text dates are now converted to real Excel dates in your desired format. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.